This is the BNC Female Chassis Mount Connector. It features a BNC Female connector on one end and a gold-plated solder pin on the other. The connector is made with a nickel-plated metal construction for maximum signal strength and durability. Once the center pin is soldered, the BNC Female end can take any BNC male cable. The BNC Female Chassis Mount Connector is a quick and easy solution for your cabling projects. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.